Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my self-care routine. So we're starting off with dyeing my hair. Hello grays. I am 33 going on 34, but I think it runs in my family to have tons of grays because I definitely started noticing them this year and I really tried hard to just let them be, but girl, I just couldn't do it anymore. So we're going to get ready to do our hair, diets, and all that fun stuff. I always like to watch something. I'm definitely a movie show watcher, and right now I am obsessed with Desperate Housewives, okay? I've been watching this show for 4 or 5 years now, and I watch it at least once a year. For my hair dye, this is the Ion Permanent Jet Black, and I also got the 20 Developer. I wanted something that was going to cover up my grays, and the girl recommended this product to me. So I'm not an expert, please follow the directions, but I just use 1-to-1 ratio. Because I only did my roots this time, I only did half a tube, so I went with half of the bottle of the Developer. I mixed that all around, make sure the consistency was nice and creamy and everything was blended. And we're going to focus that just on the roots. Again, I didn't want to touch the rest of my hair. I'm really trying not to add so many products to my hair so it can be healthy. I'm trying to grow it out again. So, yep, like I said, focusing on the roots. For my hair, I've been loving the Pureology Hydrate shampoo. It really does a great job at hydrating the hair and it gives me tons of glossiness. And then I use this little scrubby thing for my scalp to make sure that it's nice and clean. And then for my hair, I use this hydrating argan oil mask. It does such a great job at leaving your hair silky, smooth. It's perfect for frizzy, dry, damaged hair. Highly recommend. And then for my body, I just keep it simple. This is the Dove Revitalizing Cherry and Chia Milk. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So let's move on to the skincare. I'm going to use this LMS cleansing balm. So this is what you actually use to remove your makeup, but I love how thick and oily it is. So I like to use this to shave my face. I shave my face once every 2 weeks. So it was definitely time to do that. I have been shaving my face for the past, I don't even know, 5 years maybe. And I have never seen my hair grow back thicker. That's definitely a myth. I do keep up with this, though. I do have to say that my mustache definitely comes in faster than anything else. So I like to keep these little razors at hand. I buy them from TJ Maxx. Sometimes I'll get like 12 of them for like $6. Definitely worth it. And then with a clean cloth, I will just remove the extra balm laying on my skin. And we're going to move on to my favorite part, which is skincare. My toner, you guys. This is the In the Know Milky Hydrating Toner. Oh my goodness. Just look at how beautiful and glass-like my skin looks like after. This has been such a game changer. I have a backup because now I know I cannot live without this toner. It has that beautiful, milky, creamy essence and it truly hydrates the skin and it leaves it so quenched. I will never use anything else. For my products, these are the main ones. I have been loving these Korean brands. This is Purito, the Centella Asiatica. Centella, something like that. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. You need this. Just trust me. It is great for skin barrier. It rejuvenates the skin. It makes it look so plump and it hydrates it. It's lightweight. It has a gel type, so it's not going to clog your pores. Now, my favorite product. This one is This is the Mixun Bean Essence. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Think of it as snail mucin, but vegan. This isn't going to break you out. It's not going to clog your pores, which I did have breakouts with the snail mucin. So I switched over to this one and it has been a game changer. It's almost like an elixir. You can actually use this to exfoliate your skin or just to simply hydrate it. And that's what I use it for. My skin has been transformed, you guys. And then I go in with a lightweight moisturizer because honestly, I don't even need a moisturizer. These two products on their own just hold the weight. And look at my skin, like no filter. My skin just looks bomb. Let's get into my hair care routine. I really don't have anything fancy. I just tried to add a leave-in conditioner, and right now I have been obsessed with this one from the brand Generic. This is a leave-in keratin treatment. Like I mentioned before, I am trying to grow out my hair, so I'm trying to get it to be as healthy as possible, and this one is amazing. I believe it's a dupe for the Bumble and Bumble, and then this is a lightweight leave-in oil. This one is amazing for adding hydration and for making your hair look very silky, very glossy, giving it a high shine. And it also has heat protectant, so you don't have to go in with a third product. Now, this is where the magic begins, okay? As you can see, this hair dryer has 4 settings. I recently got it. This is from the brand On Lawn Beauty from Amazon. The blue setting is cold, the orange is warm, and then the red is going to be hot. It's very lightweight. It has a high speed and the low noise. Has to be my favorite part because I shower at night when my son is asleep. This doesn't wake him up. So I'm just using a round brush to blow dry my hair. I give myself a blowout at home. Girl, I don't have the budget to be going to the hair salon to be getting blowouts like that, okay? Plus, I enjoy doing it, and with this hair dryer, my hands don't get tired from having them up in the air because I do have so much hair. This is so easy to do, and I am done in seconds. If you're blow drying your hair when it's completely wet, if you have long hair, within 5 to 8 minutes, you will be completely done. This also has 100 million negative ions, which pretty much just means that it's going to prevent frizz, nourish the hair, and smooth out any hair frizz. If you guys saw the last clip, my hair looks really smooth, and I've noticed a difference from using this hair dryer. I am in love with it. I keep telling everybody that they need this hair dryer. I got the pink one because it is so cute. I will have it linked in the description box down below. Look at the volume, look at the shine. I wish you guys could touch my hair. I'm finishing it with a little bit of an oil to lock in all the moisture. I'm telling you, this hair dryer has been such a game changer for me because I don't like to straighten my hair with straighteners anymore. I typically go for a blowout like this. Look at that shine. I am obsessed. Make sure you get yourself one or ask your man to buy you one. Valentine's is around the corner, girl. For my nails, they were pretty okay, but up close, they were a little crusty, musty, and dusty. So I'm using the X-Coat Tips from BT Art box. I am obsessed with them ever since I discovered them on Amazon. All I'm doing is taking the old ones off, soaking them off. I did drill them, or I should have drilled them down, which is what I ended up doing. And then I soaked them off using 100% pure acetone. I let that sit for about 15 minutes. And then I went in with some new nails. Now, I ended up using nail glue because the first time I tried it with the whole kits that these nails come with, they didn't stay long. And this specific glue, my goodness, lasts me literally about 3 weeks. This is from the brand's Glamnetic nails that you can buy at Ulta. I love this nail glue. It's seriously insane. Like, I don't know what they add into it, but my nails last me at least 3 weeks. So I'm just pressing them down. I ended up going with this style. I will link the ones that I'm using down below. This specific set comes with different styles, and I went with this like cutouts shape French tip. I don't know. I love them. I'm obsessed with press-on nails. You guys know I am a press-on nail girly. So if you haven't checked this brand out, again, I will have it in the description box down below. So make sure to check it out. Editing Karina here. I just realized that I didn't film an outro. So here I am filming now for the day later. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of like spa day. For me, this is the day that I take to like really reset, to refresh my skin, refresh my hair. Lord knows I needed it. Do my nails and just kind of like pamper myself. It's very important for you to give yourself at least one day out of the month to really take care of your outer beauty, because that's what you see every day. And if you look good, you feel good. Obviously, please take care of your mental health as well. But just wanted to show you what I do to just kind of keep myself looking good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget, all links will be in the description box down below. I love you guys, and until next time, I'll see you in my next video.